All right, guys, what's going on? How's everyone doing? What's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
We are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? I know I've been gone all weekend, but I am back. Had some family obligations to take care of. Still got to take care of them, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. If you are not familiar with them, their links are in the description down below. Check them out. If you decide to shop with them, let them know your man, the son of some man, sent you. Also, if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. We are on the journey this year. We got 2 months left, a little less than 2 months, to hit 10,000 subscribers. We're at 7,100. I'm still confident we're gonna make that, hit that mark. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you are brand new and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, as I've been trying to keep the content consistent, hit that notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. But anyway, guys, I am one of those people that did not like this shoe when I first seen it. Not that I didn't like it, I was just a little iffy about it because obviously it's the Reimagined. They put the, the whole top of the shoe suede. And I really didn't know how to feel about it because I did have the 2017 pair. I had the 2001 pair as well, but those are, long gone. As I do regret selling those pairs, but it is what it is. We do have, this pair. I still haven't even looked at them yet. I've seen them inside J&M Sneakers, but I really haven't got a detailed look at them. But let's check them out. We're just gonna be taking a quick look at them today. Also, guys, too. Like I said, I haven't been, well, I forgot, these come individually wrapped. I forget what shoe, the Spider-Man shoe came like that. Yeah, these are pretty sick. Well, what I was going to say is, not only am I dropping this video today, we are going to be dropping another review and on foot of this shoe right here. I made videos on this shoe already before. If you want to check out those videos, just click the link at the top of the screen. Take you directly to that video. Or you can wait for the review and on foot that's going to drop tonight. This, I just wanted to take a look at it together. But wow. These are actually very nice. Here you go, guys. The Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. Now, these are pretty nice from, taking a look at them. Really nice. I believe, yeah, it's nubuck and the blue is suede. The black is nubuck. Very, very clean, man. Did you guys pick these up? Did you guys sleep on them? I know a lot of people, definitely a lot of you younger sneakerheads, really don't know what this colorway is or how much this colorway means to, us original sneaker collectors, original, people who were there when they first dropped. This is pretty dope, man, I gotta say. I was a little nervous about the Reimagined touch, you know what I mean? But overall, man, I can't be mad at them, man. They're really nice. Now, like I said, you're gonna stay tuned. We got a detailed review. We got an on foot coming. Definitely gonna be taking some pictures of these today. If you wanna check me out, if you wanna check those pictures out on my IG, all you gotta do is click the link in the description down below. Give me a follow over there as well, as we are closing in on 10,000 followers on IG. I did have 30,000 one time, but like I said, my Instagram got hacked, but it is what it is. We work. We don't let we don't let anything keep us down around here. We just continue to grow every single day. But what do you guys think of the Air Jordan 1, Royal Reimagined? Really, really nice. Like I mentioned before, the tongue is still the same as well. The tongue is just like any other Jordan 1 tongue. Like I said, we're going to do a detailed review. Oh, they actually do come with a second set of laces as well. Very, very dope. But guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Did you pick them up? Are you waiting for them to go on sale? I know they're still sitting on the Sneakers app. So if you act fast, I believe you could get them right now. So, and if you can't, J&M Sneakers will always take care of you. Just let them know your man, the son of some man, has sent you, and they'll take extra good care of you. Also, guys, just like I said before, make sure you stay tuned to the channel because we are dropping 2 videos today. Yep, that's 2. This one and the next one. But Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Stay tuned. Review and On Foot is coming. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.